All right, so here you have it. We're doing a smoked pork loin on our Pit Boss grills. This is one of the cheapest things you guys can do. This was 10 bucks. This is about 4 pounds. So yeah, you heard this right. This was $10. So 4 pounds for $10 of pork loin is not bad. So we're gonna be using mustard as a binder, the barbecue rub, and some all-purpose seasoning. So let's go ahead and get this going. We're gonna add our binder first. All right, we're gonna get a nice little coat of this because it is a big piece of meat, and we're gonna get it all over it. Now we're gonna use our barbecue rub, and this one you can go nice and heavy on it. Make sure you get everything of this piece of meat. All right, so there you have it. So how we're gonna cook this in our Pit Boss, we're gonna put this at 275 degrees. We're gonna let it ride till about 150, 155, and then we'll take it out. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. All right, our Pit Boss is at 275. Put this in here. And we're back when it hits about 150, 155. All right, our smoked pork loin is up to temp 155. Let's go ahead and take it out. And this is ready to go. We'll be back. All right, so here you have a smoked pork loin on our Pit Boss grills. Before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. All right, this looks amazing. Let's go ahead and give some cuts. Look at that. Oh my goodness. You can make some good sandwiches with these. But oh, look at that. Is it juicy? Yes, it is juicy. So we had our Pit Boss grills at 275. Took about an hour and a half. That looks amazing. Let's go ahead and give it a try. Adding this all purpose with this made it that much better. The flavors are really good. Real cheap. 10 bucks for this big old piece. Want a barbecue on a budget? This is it right here. You could add some barbecue sauce too, which I'll probably do that when I go eat them. Make sure you guys hit that like, hit that subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And we'll see you guys next time.